photo before it's gone. Alright, here's some cardboard boxes I got. And an RC helicopter that I needed as well. So hello to anyone watching this. It's Christmas Day today, so I can understand why people might not watch this. And everyone's obviously very busy. So, you know, just as a thing for everyone, you know, Merry Christmas to those people who celebrate. To everyone else who celebrates other holidays, you know, happy holidays to all them. I mean, some of those have already passed, but, just, you know, it's the right thing to say. Like, you know, to everyone, for all of December, just, you know, good wishes. Not enough of those around all the time. So anyway, I'm on today. Toy Day was yesterday, so, you know, the big winter event in-game is now done. I've got all of the holiday DIYs, so it's gonna be pretty chill. It's gonna be pretty chill for me at this point. For a bit, at least. You know, like, I don't need to farm balloons, which makes it very easy. I've managed to get most of the winter furniture now. So, I mean, ultimately, there's not too much going on at this point. I'd like to get more ornaments, just so I have a little bit of a supply in case I want to craft anything else at any point. I'd also, the completionist in me just likes having them, you know? You can't go wrong by having extras. Unless, of course, you fill up your storage. That's the only way you could go wrong. Which, you know, is less likely to happen now. Although I will have to clean my storage at some point. I've been putting it off for a while. I, like, incrementally used to do it all the time. And now I, like, kind of, like, alright, let me sell, like, an inventory of stuff. Here and there. Which, I mean, helps, obviously. But it's not, like, a huge clean. Anyway. This is going to be a shorter stream compared to usual. I mean, that's because, A, we're not farming balloons. And the last 2 days, there's been a lot of decorating and the event, so I'm gonna keep it nice and casual today. You know, I got stuff to do. That's why I'm on now. You know, I've been busy, so got the chance to get this going. So we're gonna do this quickly, and then I gotta get on with my day. That missed. Nice try, me. Okay, so I should check the beach, but I'm going to skip that for now. I want to see who's here today. I don't know who's here today. I really jumped. There's a hot dog costume there. That's cool. That is illuminated snowflakes, so someone can get those snowflakes. I'm still obviously going to, you know, shoot down presents that I see because it's a good idea. You know, just in case I get extras, someone can get it, right? Alrighty. Let me just open my shopping list in case there's anything here today. So that's looking like a no. Okay, so it looks like the Santa stuff is still in stock today, which is interesting. Good to know. Okay, there you go. So, nothing in the Able Sisters Day, which is, you know, typical. It's expected. I'm gonna just take a quick look at the shopping here. So I think tomorrow more stuff shows up in the seasonally available stuff there. I think it's tomorrow. I think it's Boxing Day. It's like after Christmas. And then they're available until the New Year. I think they're... I can't remember how it works, if those are the celebration ones for the New Year, or if it's like the ones after. I don't know. It's something like that, right? So basically, all I have to do are the regular dailies. I got to make my snowboy and figure out who is visiting. I suppose I might actually have Gulliver this week. I had Gullivar, but he was my random visitor, and normally it's like every other week. So I feel like it's not too crazy to expect the possibility of Gulliver being on my beach somewhere, which is annoying, because that takes more time than I would like it to take. Trying to get this done quickly, right? This outfit's staying on for today. I mean, it's still seasonally appropriate. Tomorrow I'll probably change it. But right now I'm just trying to find the recipe, see who's crafting. A lot of people are indoors today, but it is snowing, so that makes sense. Alright, Genji is crafting. Wow, firewood. I like how you got one last tap and you're like, and he's like, alright, let me wave. Alright, it's officially 3 o'clock. Fun stuff. So those are all my recipes. The rug, mobile, and that. I actually sent the mobile to someone and they already had it. So I've got 3 of that one. Not all excessive. I'm still looking for the recipe. Okay, so I was right. It is Gulliver that's here today. Alright, so this is probably going to be the thing that takes the longest today. Wow. I feel like that's new. I feel like I haven't read that one. Got a face that shouts ample free time. Terrible. Alright, he's totally in like a terrible spot. He just did my way. Did I pick up? No, there it is. Okay, great. Good talk. Good talk, me. Thank you. I swear this shovel will break because it almost always breaks whenever I have Gulliver. Which is part of why I'm so annoyed by him all the time. Probably. Because I can never catch a break. This is going too well. This is going way too well. This isn't right. What's happening? Normally there's some complication. Normally it takes me forever to find the spots. And when I do find them, I always get like a clam or two. Still not broken either. Wow, okay. Thanks, Punchy. Appreciate it. I have a feeling about this fish. No, never mind. It's a sea bass. Takes way too long kicking these things. It's my one complaint. I think that's done. Surprised my shovel hasn't broken. I think I did buy it like pretty late into yesterday though. I guess it maybe makes sense. Let's there we go. Just get that out of the way. So I learned my lesson about Gulliver and Gullivar, and how the when the actual items are determined. So I should be okay with that. I'm gonna just throw these in storage. I don't need them anymore. One was an accident, and one was a precaution in case I couldn't get one. This is all junk. That's junk. The RC helicopter is new. It should be the light blue one. Okay, so it appears that I don't have any gifts for Peanut. So I shouldn't have put that stuff away. I didn't realize I didn't have any. I'm still working on her photo. Alright, let's just grab a couple of these. Yeah, there's too many of them. Okay, so everything here is basically junk except for the gift. And let me just do myself a favor here. Take these out. Hello, how's it going? Uh-oh, this is a... Never mind, we're good. Alright. That's good, that's good to hear. Wow, I gotta get a little bit of a stream in today. It's not gonna be nearly as long as usual, but you know. Okay, a little bit more. That should be good. Maybe a little bit too much. Nah, we good. Alright, we got the frozen pillar finally. Did I talk to this guy already? Yeah. Can't even sign autographs. Very unfortunate for that poor Snowboy. Yeah, I finally decorated. I finally, like 2 days ago, I did some stuff. This is what I did. I really like how the Frozen stuff goes with like the Nova lights and the moon chairs. So I'm still working on this. It's just like it's a start. The pillar I think will be very nice to add there somehow. Still figuring it out though. Also, why am I running over here? What am I up to? I don't know what I'm up to. Oh, I wanted to find Peanut, that's right. Thank you. There's anything in the Nook shop, anything I missed, is there? I hope not. Ooh, cream and sugar. Wow. Some fun stuff. Does everyone talk to me differently? Oh, okay. Wow. Doesn't even know what hashtag could describe them. That's big. I feel like I should check the Nook stop just in case, but I'm not sure. I should or not. Alright, either way, let's go find Gulliver again. Give him these, parts. Nothing to do but pace back and forth for 3 hours. Alright, so that's that dealt with. Alright, let's check the store out. It's probably the next thing that I should do. Alright, so we got a tin robot, we got a microwave. I don't think we're gonna need this stuff. I have all the microwaves. I need the pink and red tin robot. The phonograph we do have. Outdoor table. I just need the red one, and the rattan wardrobe. Now, is that light brown, or is that just a regular brown? I need to get a look. Ah, okay, so that's reddish brown. It's not light brown. Sorry, my bad. I'm terrible at identifying the rattan furniture. It's probably the one I struggle with the most. 'Cause it's just brown, light brown, reddish brown, like every single shade of brown. Okay. Well, why don't I just check in case? I don't want to miss it. I feel like it doesn't start till today, and I think they're in the shopping, not in the Nook stop. I don't think they're in the Nook stop. There's not that many things that go here. It's very infrequent. But it would suck to miss one. So I mean, nothing there. Nothing there. This is all the same stuff. Does anything ever go in here? Or am I crazy? I might be crazy. I think it's in the shopping tomorrow. I've checked both today, so it's not like I'm missing anything. So we're gonna be fine, regardless. Let me think if there's anything else. I sent... Oh, there's candles I sent yesterday, and I don't remember which ones I sent. I think it would have been brown and light brown, and I was given the white ones. I think I just went in order. Hasn't been updated on the other end, so I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure this is right. So that's simple enough. Yeah, it would be here, so... Yeah, I'm pretty sure it starts tomorrow. Or I'm crazy. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. It'll be fine either way, right? Let's go see what this pillar looks like. How tall is it? It looks really tall, but a friend mentioned something about it, which makes me think it's not that tall. I don't know. Let's find out. Actually, I guess I should customize it first. So, it's gonna have the same 7. Actually, I don't know if I brought out enough stuff. I think we'll be fine. I'll customize the colors I'm least likely to use first. I'll stick with the green and purple as the end result on both of these. Alright, so we'll get this one green, and the other one will be purple for now. I want to just see how these look. I might end up using more of them. I might make more of them. It just depends on how they look. Now, I'm not really going to focus much on catching snowflakes. I have caught a decent number this week. I'll probably stock up on the supplies. I don't know, in a couple days maybe. I do want to update my spreadsheet soon, so I'll take some time to do that. At some point, hopefully, this week. It'd be nice to have that done before the new year. Alright, let's see how big these things are. Okay, they're very tall. I think I've been lied to. Not lied to exactly. I don't think there's any way I can place something on that. You can? What? Okay. I'm gonna try it. Oh my god. It's real. Okay, we might have some fun with that. Not today, but soon. Very soon. Yeah, we might have a lot of fun with that, actually. But for now, let's just go here. Okay, so I will just take the time here to mark this stuff off real quick. This is the frozen pillar. All 7 of them are here. Great. And then we're going to scroll over to the RC helicopter, because we should have the light blue one. Yes, we do. Alright, so I just need a couple more of those now. So we're doing pretty well for the toys. I did get a lot of them. I did the event twice, actually, on my other character and on this character. So I was able to do 20 gift exchanges, so I got a good amount of them. Not a lot, but I mean, some of them were like repeats. And I definitely got like a bunch of pop-up books and mini circuits on my other character, even though I had all of them. But that's okay. I still got some, and I'll easily be able to get the rest from people. So I'm going to switch over to my other character now so I can help Gulliver out. And probably be just over half an hour then. It's already like nearly 3:30, so I do have other stuff that I got to do today. So I'll probably call it there, keeping it quick. But Gulliver's probably the most important person that I need to actually use my ult for, just because there's so many different items that I need. It's taking a sweet time to load today. Well, enjoy your breakfast. Shouldn't be too much longer now. The only part that's going to take long at this point is finding the communicator parts, which, I mean, hopefully it doesn't. But enjoy. And thank you. So I should mention... Oh, actually, hold on. Let me just do this for fun. Because why not? Why not, right? But yeah, that's the second last Snowboy recipe, as far as I'm aware. Unless somehow there's a mistake. Chances are there's not a mistake on that one. That one should be good. But yeah, that's... I just need the frozen bed, so I should be able to get that tomorrow. And then the DIYs that I'm really looking for are the Zodiac ones. That's basically it for like the non-standard ones. So I'll just... 3 Zodiac ones and the golden shovel. I actually forgot to mark off the frozen pillar, so let me do that now. I'm really bad for them because I don't actually like learn them. Just auto loads them and I always forget. And then I see it in the list and I'm like, I just got that. So yeah, I only need 30 more DIYs now. That's it. Most of them are like flower related. Or have gold in the name. Which is fitting, of course. This is what I'm talking about. The other ones just showed up, and it's like crazy how fast I got them all. And then here's like, well... I heard one. Where was it? Is there another one? Aha. Man, I can't believe it. Like, if you look at, like, all my recipes left, and, like, there's a steel frame wall, an iron door plate, a flower... Well, no, I'm not even gonna count that. That's it. That's it. Literally everything else is flower related. Like a blue rose thing or a gold rose thing or the crowns. It's all flower recipes. There's literally like 3 non-flower recipes. It's crazy. And I never get them for some reason. I don't know why. Do I have 3? Oh, I have 4. Alright, one more. Goldie, I'm sorry. Okay, sweet. That wasn't too bad. Probably better than my average. Anyway, let's talk to Gulliver. Finish this up. So, to recap, I got the frozen pillar. It's pretty cool. It's very tall, but you can still place stuff on top of it, which could be actually really cool. Like, depending on what actually fits up there. I don't think housewares would go up there, but it might only be miscellaneous. Could probably make like a dinosaur pillar thing. That would look kind of funny. But, I mean, we'll see what happens, right? We'll see. But yeah. So, nothing in the Able Sisters, nothing at Nook's. Gulliver was here, so we got Gulliver and Gullivar this week. Kind of crazy. We got the second last frozen recipe. We should get the last one, the frozen bed, tomorrow. The shopping items should be available as of tomorrow, as far as I'm aware. And we got like one thing in the mail, sent a couple things off. Nothing crazy, no new recipes, no gold. It's just a very quick, standard, daily stream. So we'll probably see more of these in the near future for now, just because, I mean, what else you can expect? I should probably do a sea creature thing at some point. So some point soon I'll do that. But for now, I'm gonna get out of here. I got some stuff to do. So thanks for watching. And that's basically it. I already said the other stuff at the beginning of the stream. So I'll be on tomorrow. I don't actually know when. It'll probably be later than usual. Probably a late stream, but we'll see. That's it for now. So take care. Goodbye, and see you then.